Fire. That's fire. Who doesn't love fire?
Oh, hands on deck!
Woo! Holy shit.
Can't believe it, dude. I've been looking for you for literally like years, man.
Last G. Alright, something we haven't done for quite a while is start a fire, and hell, I've been itching to do that. I mean, you know, I love starting fires, and it's been far too long since we've actually had a chance to make another chemical fire starter, so we're going to add to that playlist today, which, by the way, if you haven't seen the playlist of all the fire starter videos, you should go check that out. It's pretty epic. There's like 6 or 8 or, I don't know, 7, something like that. There's quite a few. They're pretty good, and we're going to add to that today. So today we're going to try our hand at using some magnesium nitrate mixed with aluminum powder and some ammonium nitrate mixed with zinc dust, just because I'm not quite sure that the magnesium nitrate and the aluminum will be quite enough. So we're going to kickstart it a little bit by using some ammonium nitrate and zinc powder. Hopefully that will be sufficient enough to get us a little bit of flamage. I mean, we just need to start a fire with it, so hopefully this should work. Let's give it a go. And as with all the fire starter videos, make sure you don't try this at home. So there's a lot of mixing and grinding involved in producing this. We want our particle size to be small and we want them to be thoroughly mixed. So we're going to grind it and mix it and grind it and mix it some more until we get it just right, so that hopefully when we add a little bit of water, we'll get a nice combustion reaction. Honestly, I'm a little bit disappointed because most of the other fire starters that we've done on this channel have been really epic, or rather impressive to say the least. I mean, it did produce a lot of smoke and there was certainly a lot of heat there. We were able to actually start a fire by adding some other combustible materials on top of it. but it never did burst into flames like most of the other fire starters. But it did work, so we'll call that sort of a win, kinda. I mean, we did get fire out of it, so yeah, that's A+. Then I guess they can't all be as epic as the Purple Haze fire starter. I mean, that was just... If you haven't seen that video, it is absolutely gorgeous. I recommend that you go watch it. Now's a good time if you want. I mean, you could go watch it now, or I'll put it at the end of this video maybe. And you can watch it after this one. Although this one's just about over. Also, if any of you guys have any ideas of what I can do with some magnesium nitrate, I have a shoot ton of magnesium nitrate that was given to me. So I don't know what to do with it, but it's like 5 pounds. There's 5 pounds, give or take. Close, maybe 4.5, I don't know. There's a lot of magnesium nitrate and I don't know what to do with it. So if you have an idea of what I can do with some magnesium nitrate, leave a comment down below. I would love to hear from you because I need a really good idea. That's a lot of magnesium nitrate. Like, what the hell should I do with this? Whew. I probably shouldn't do that. That's not safe. But yeah, if you have ideas for what I can do with 5 pounds of magnesium nitrate, that would be awesome and epic. I want to hear from you. I need ideas. Honestly, I'm running out of ideas. So if you have other ideas for videos, I'd love to hear those as well. Just you know, type a little comment down there. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you like the video. I've got some big things in the works that I'll be sharing with you guys over the next couple weeks, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, click that little notification bell so that you'll get the updates about the new videos. And aside from that, I'll catch you guys next time.